Hey everyone, I'm here today with my DeWalt hole saw. I got this last year. It's great, no complaints. There is a tool that is supposed to be right here on the chain guard. It's a dual function Allen key. On the short end of the key, it has a 5mm hex to loosen these two bolts. And then on the long end, it has a flat blade slot to tighten or loosen there. I lost that key sometime last fall. And being in Canada, if I want to order that as a replacement part, it's probably going to cost me about $20. I don't feel like paying 20 bucks for an Allen key. Turns out I've got plenty of 5mm Allen keys. So I'm just going to put this in a vice grip and I'm going to attempt to Dremel this end into a flat blade. So let's see how that goes. So I've got my 5mm Allen key set up here in the vise. This flat blade screwdriver here is a very close match and it's about 1mm at the very top. So I'm going to see if I can match it somewhat close to that, but this isn't exactly a precision tool here, so let's see what happens. Not bad. Got a long way to go. Let's try another bit. Let's see where we're at. That actually might be enough. Perfect. So this is good. I can live with this. It absolutely works. I didn't need to do this. You could easily just throw a 5mm hex onto the blade guard and then grab a flathead screwdriver. Nice one like this, it would probably be much easier to actually do it, but when you're on the go, it's a lot nicer when you just have it right on the chain guard and you can do it and get back to work rather than have to stop what you're doing and go to the garage or whatever. So I'm keeping this for sure. That'll live right there. And that's that. Hope that helps someone. Thanks for watching.